Man, this thing just fires up. You gotta love the flathead Fords. 231, 4-speed manual, 37 Woody. Just purrs. Would love to take it out for a test drive today, but snow's melting, roads are disgusting with crap on it, so we're not gonna do that to this beautiful Woody. Jeopardize it with salt. But listen to that thing purr. Cranetown Island, Indian Lake, Ohio. Love this thing. Be a new arrival at Westport Auto Center. That's www.westportautocenter.com. www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 75 pictures online. Detailed undercarriage. Just a great running, driving 37 Woody. Wood's in great shape. Paint's nice. It's got the Ford Universal whitewall. Just a nice unit. Be great for taking the grandkids to get some ice cream. Great advertisement for a commercial vehicle. Front of a storefront. Just nice. That thing. See this typical flathead Ford, yeah, and you probably put a glass of water on it, can't even tell it's running. But nice. Banjo steering wheel. Showing, I think, 36,058 miles. Amp, oil pressure, fuel gauge, oil pressure, all that stuff works. The factory clock does not work. Horn does not work. But just really nice. Just a piece of history. Gotta love this. Suicide doors. Just beautiful. And this craftsmanship. Again, you like to fly in, we're more than happy to pick you up from the airport, report us your itinerary. We can take it for a drive, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit and finish for you. Just love this. Paint's nice on it. It's not a 100-point show car, but it's pretty nice. Pretty good shine to it. Just a really nice car. I'd say wagon. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be more than happy to answer any questions you get. We have great financing, great terms, great rate. Credit's king. Usually it's 10% down. Depends on the person, individual, obviously, in the vehicle. But great rates and terms. Easy process. Just do that online, the website, take your right. It's a direct process with the lender. In Fenton, Missouri, we're in the suburbs of St. Louis. Fly into Lambert, St. Louis International, one and the same. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. If you followed us the video this far, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, help our family business grow. Thanks for watching.